Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Want to make your videos look incredibly professional, with subjects floating over any background? Erasing green screen in CapCut is actually super straightforward. There's really only one reliable method to achieve that perfect, seamless removal in 2025. We'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Get ready to transform your footage with just a few simple taps. First things first, open up CapCut on your device and tap to start a brand new project. Now, it's time to bring in your creative assets. Import both your green screen video and the background footage you wish to use. Simply drag your chosen background clip onto the main timeline track. Then, meticulously overlay your green screen footage directly above it, ensuring perfect alignment. Once your clips are perfectly layered, tap directly on your green screen video in the timeline. This action will reveal a menu of editing options below. Swipe through these tools until you find Chroma key, then give it a tap. This powerful feature is CapCut's dedicated solution for background removal. Now, activate the color picker and prepare to precisely target that vibrant green screen. With the color picker active, carefully drag it over the green screen area in your preview window. This selects the precise color for removal. Next, move to the strength slider and gradually increase it until the green background completely disappears. Don't forget to fine-tune the edges using the shadow slider for a more natural look. Preview your work closely to ensure no green fringes remain. Congratulations! You're almost done. Take a moment to watch your full composite video from start to finish, ensuring everything looks absolutely perfect. This is your chance for any final, subtle tweaks to the strength or shadow sliders. Once you are completely satisfied with the result, hit the export button. Your stunning, green screen-free video is now ready to share, showcasing your fantastic editing skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.